Hello guys, you're welcome back to the Chima Descriptive Video channel. In this short video, I want to show you the registration process of VistaLog, how to register with VistaLog. Actually, when you hear registration, you say, is it not the normal thing we do? It's not difficult. No. You're going to see how to register with VistaLog and then start making money from this system. That's what this video is all about. So the first thing you're going to do if you want to be part of VistaLog is to get a referral link, a sign-up link from whoever. Could be from your friend or whoever. So I will encourage you, if you want to join, use my own. I will drop it on this video description area. Now, once you have got it, just go to your browser, whether you are using a phone or whatever, and place that and click on enter. Just watch. So once it opens, I will show you. See, there are a lot of things you must need to know. And that's what I want to explain in this particular short video. It's opening up right now. Okay. Now, if you look at this, look at the entire column. The first area is your full name. You have to put on your full name. Now, VistaLog works this way. You don't just go and write any name you like. Please, your real name, your full name, your email address, active email address, choose a username, then your password, confirm password. Now, the next one is your phone number. This phone number must come with this format. As a Nigerian, 234. If you are coming from Ghana, plus 233. Don't just write 080. No. Don't write just anything. Let it come with that country code plus being in the front before you write. Like in my case, if I'm registering my number, I can say 2347066 and all that. That's the way you should do it. Bear this at the back of your mind. Then the next thing is coupon code. But before I do that, under choose your package, you also do one package. Everybody starts and invests only 5K for a life. You won't repeat it. There's no additional money to invest. That is 5K for once. Now, this coupon code, before you sign up, and when you put on I agree, before you sign up, you must put a coupon code. And that's where registration with VistaLog is something else. Now, it simply means that before you register with VistaLog, you must have bought the coupon code. So when you go here, you don't need to stop here and not say, okay, where do I buy coupon code? No, that is not the way to register in this system. It's a very straightforward system. So though some people will say, this is a headache, but that's how the system is designed. You work in that order. What it means that if you have someone who has introduced you to this, or you just saw this on the net, that's why it's always good. When I record some of these videos, I'll put my number, my WhatsApp. Contact me. Don't just do some things online. You have someone you can reach out to so that when you have a problem, you have an outline, you know. Don't just go online randomly, you see a link, you join. And the person that's sharing, you don't know him, you can't reach out to him. You see my number. If you sign up with my link, you are my download, you are in my team, you can always approach me. Okay, I sign up. I'm doing this now. I'm choked somewhere. I don't know what to do. That is how to do it. So when you come up, what do? You send in your 5K. I will buy the coupon code for you. It's as simple as that. Once you're about to do it, we are online together. I buy the coupon code. Now, drop the link for you. As you have your coupon code there, right there with you, and you have your link, as you are registering, if you get to this point, you now add that coupon code and click on sign up. Instantly, you are going to find yourself at your own back office. I have cases of those who know me very well and they trust me, especially some of those older persons. If going through all this is too difficult for them, all they need to do, they supply details, their full name, their email address, their username, okay, choose a password which they can change later, and they send to me, send their 5K. I do everything, register them, then hand over their work to them. If they want to change their password, they can change that. And that's how the system works. So once you have done the right thing, then you log in and you are now going to get yourself to your back office just like this. Watch it now. That's the back office. You can see it. That's the back office. So in this back office now, let me quickly run it through. There are two major ways you earn here. And the payment system of these two major ways are different. Now, when you sign up, immediately you sign up, the first thing you're going to notice, because you paid 5K, you're going to have a bonus of 3,000 naira. So your balance under your tax earning will be 3,000 naira. You see it there. Now, what you're seeing is affiliate balance. Now, each day, you have options to earn other free earning. Now, like today is January 19th. There's a login earning of 200. I've not done the other two things, advert post earning and Vista post earning, which is 300. This is what for yesterday, 18th. Look at that 18th, login of 200, Vista post earning 300, advert post earning 300, that's 800. That's how you earn it every single day. So when you log in, immediately you join now, the system assume that you have just logged in for the first time. So that login of 200, you're going to have it. Plus you have 3,000 naira registration bonus given back to you. So your balance under your payment area will be exactly 3,200. Now to get the other two things, that is, and I will have a video that guides you on that. That's why you need to belong to a team. If you now have questions on that, I'm going to give you their videos that show you how to now claim your daily earnings based on task by visiting the Vista post and advert post and all of that. So this is exactly how it's going to be. So you see your affiliate balance difference. You're going to see it. I want to show you something. So look at it. This is affiliate balance. You see here. This is the tax balance. Look at it. Now the question is, how does the system pay? Because that's what matters. It's not about making money. The system pays in two ways. This affiliate balance is paid 3 times every week. Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. But you must have a minimum of at least a minimum of 10,000 naira for you to, put out withdrawal. If you have up to 10,000 naira, you can put out withdrawal either on a Monday or Wednesday or Saturday. But this one that is a tax earning is paid once every month, and that is on 25th of every month. So if you are not good at referring, you are not interested in that, concentrate on your tax earnings. On every 25th, you are paid. Whatever you have about, and that's one doesn't tell you it must be 1 million, it must be others. But if you are good at marketing, do that often too. So as you get 10,000, more than 10,000, whether on a Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, you make withdrawal and instantly. I tell you, from real record, not story, not anything, the last few 10 days, this particular system has paid over 200 million naira. I'm telling you. I mean 20 million naira, sorry. Let me not get it wrong. Not 20 million, more than 40 million naira. Sorry. Let me not get it wrong. Correct, more than 40 million naira have been paid out from this system as a result of this. So people are cashing out. So it's all about those. Most of the people who have cashed out are those on referral earnings, because it's almost every day, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays. You see people. I've seen a friend that have made over 2 million on this system, and that's how it works. But remember, it starts with your 5K investment, and I've told you the process. Don't just go and start doing something on your own online, and when you lose the money, you say VistaLog is fake, it's scam. No, follow someone, have a team leader, and I can be that for you. So once you see this video, you want to join, contact me. You're going to see my link, my number, WhatsApp link. Contact me. Even if you're not on WhatsApp, you can call me on phone. Okay, whether it's on Facebook, can chat up there. I will now guide you. Register. I will help you to buy. I'm a very popular person. If you're afraid of, can I trust him to buy a coupon for me? Forget that. There's no one. I've gone beyond whether someone should trust or not. I do that often for many with real money. So you feel free with me, and for the first time, you're going to see that you can have someone to trust when it comes to do with online business. So that's exactly how this stuff works. So there are quite a number of other things you can do here to make money, but these are the basics. And so this is the simple way to be part of VistaLog and start making money in this 2024. I'm going to stop this video at this point. If you like this video, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up for this video. You can as well share it. And if you're new to our channel, this is the time to follow us. Subscribe to this channel and hit that notification bell, very important, so that you will be updated in all our money making deals and videos we are dishing out here. I'm going to stop at this point. Thanks for watching.